Students, today in our maths class, first we will read the numbers from 1 to 30 and today we will also learn to write numbers from 11 to 20. You can easily read the numbers from 11 to 20. The same numbers we will write in our notebook today. Okay, I will tell you how to write these numbers. So, first let us read the numbers from 1 to 30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Now let us learn to write numbers from 11 to 20. Students, you know to write numbers from 1 to 10. So first let us revise the numbers 1 to 10. Okay, you will all repeat after me. 1, and we will also revise a poem. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So children, what you will do is, now you will repeat the numbers 1 to 10 after me, जिससे आपको पता चलेगा कि 11 की लाइन कैसे आई है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. अब 10 के बाद सीधा नंबर 11. 11 comes 1, 1, 1, 1 का पूरा फर्स्ट स्क्वायर में लाइन चलेगा, ट्रेन चलेगा, यहाँ पे पूरा 1, 1, 1, 1 आएगा. और सेकंड वाली कॉलम में आपने जो 1 to 10 सीखा था वो सारे के सारे नंबर्स लिखे हैं, लेकिन 9 के नीचे फिर से 0 एंड 1 के नीचे आएगा 2. बट 1 to 10 में क्या आता था, लास्ट में 1 आता था, बट 11 की लाइन में 2 आएगा. So I have written numbers 11 to 20 here. You will repeat the numbers after me. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Again we will write the same numbers. Leave one block in between and write 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. This way you will write the numbers in your maths notebook. Children, today we are going to learn to write numbers from 11 to 20. But before learning to write these numbers, let us first revise numbers from 1 to 10 so that it will be easy for you to learn to write 11 to 20. Okay, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay children, this is number 10. And after this 10, which number comes after 10? 11. 1, 1, 11. Say 1, 1, 11. Okay, now you know to write one number. So you can easily write 1, 1, 11. When you will write 11 to 20 numbers, always remember that 1 will be here in this first column. 10 के बाद 1 का जो लाइन है, पूरा ट्रेन इधर 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 इधर चलेगा और फिर उसके नीचे 2 आएगा. तो फर्स्ट लाइन में हम सिर्फ 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 लिखेंगे, राइट? एंड इन द सेकेंड कॉलम, as you have already learned to write 1 to 10, तो सेकेंड कॉलम में आप पूरा 1 to 10 लिखेंगे, लेकिन 10 का 1 नहीं लिखेंगे, 10 का 0 लिखेंगे जो 9 के नीचे लिखेंगे, और 10 के बदले जो 1 है वहां पे 1, 0, 10 का वहां 2 लिखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस रीड द नंबर्स. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Once again, let us read the numbers. अभी हम इसको 1, 1, 11 से नहीं पढ़ेंगे, डायरेक्टली पढ़ेंगे. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right? I hope you understood. Now, I have left one column in between and I have put dots here. So, let us start writing 11. As you will write, you will say also, okay? Now, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. You have to touch the numbers here on this lower line. 1, 3, 13. You can check also. Like 1 के सामने 1, 2 के सामने 2, 3 के सामने 3 आ रहा है. 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20. हमको जहाँ पे 10 लिखना था पहले 1 to 10 में, हमने उसी जगह पे 11 to 20 लाइन में यहाँ पे 9 के नीचे 0 और 1 के नीचे 2 लिखा है. तो दिस वे यू विल राइट नंबर्स फ्रॉम 11 to 20. लेट मी शो यू वंस अगेन. ओके. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Now we will again write the numbers here. इस बार हम directly बोलेंगे 11, 12. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This way you will write the numbers. Right? Let us once again write the numbers. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. This way, children, you will write the numbers from 11 to 20. Understood? You have to write the numbers in 2 separate blocks. आपको जो numbers लिखने हैं अलग अलग स्क्वायर में लिखने हैं, एक ही स्क्वायर में नहीं लिखना है. And also you have to leave one line in between while writing the numbers. Okay? This way you will write 11 to 20 numbers in your maths notebook and send me the picture of this work.